guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah if you are new. Today I have a really exciting video. Glossier actually sent me their new Brow Flick. Really exciting. I got a new product and it hasn't even come out yet, and I feel kind of special and like a real beauty person because I don't know, it's just exciting, you know? They came out with their new Brow Flick and it looks like this. It's super skinny, like compared to the Boy Brow. Like this is definitely a lot thicker, and this is a really thin, you know, pen type of situation. So they did send me the shade Blonde, and I'm not sure if that's because you're supposed to go a shade lighter or what. I'm probably gonna reach out to them and try to figure that out because my hair is definitely brown and my eyebrows are brown, but if they sent me this because you're supposed to go a shade lighter, then I'll let you guys know in the description or the comments or something when I figure that out. But yeah, I'm still gonna use it anyway because I was swatching it on my hand. I'll show you guys. I was swatching it on my hand and I do feel like this could definitely work for my eyebrows. It just is like a little bit light. And by the way, so I did this yesterday. I haven't tried it before. This is a very much so a first impressions and review, but I swatched it on my hand yesterday just to kind of see what the color was because I was like, blonde? I'm not blonde. But then I was like, okay, maybe this will work. But it dries down. Like your eyebrows hairs aren't going anywhere, and this is such a cool product. This morning I was like, oh shoot, I'm filming this video, like you need to get your eyebrows under control and like pluck them a little bit because we're gonna be, you know, zooming in. So I did, and I accidentally like ripped out so many hairs at the end of this eyebrow, and then I was really sad, and then I was like, oh wait, this is perfect because I can like fill them in with the new Brow Flick, you know? So it all works out in the end sometimes. Yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this first impressions and review. So this is a micro fine detailing pen. So this is perfect for you ladies out there who have really sparse eyebrows, or maybe you just work like really long sweaty shifts, I don't know, and you just want your brow hairs to look like they are real. Wait, rewind. This is perfect for you guys who just want like the natural brow look, just like individual hairs. You want to like draw on your individual hairs in certain spots and you want them to stay all day. This is perfect. So it's a detailing pen, so I don't think I would like actually fill in my whole eyebrow with this like I would say an Anastasia Brow Wiz or something like that. This is definitely like a detailing pen, you know, just like little details. So yeah. So it says, to start, shake, gently flick pen anywhere you'd like to look. I really cannot read. Like, I've been out of school for a month and I forgot how to read. To start, shake, gently flick pen anywhere you'd like the look of extra brow hairs. So obviously I plucked off accidentally like the end of my eyebrow right here, so I would very much so like to put those hairs back on. A makeup artist that I follow on Instagram, Katie Jane Hughes, she works with Glossier and she like helped develop the Glossier Play collection, and she just like does live videos and like a bunch of awesome stuff for them, and she always uses a brow pen. And so I've learned some things from her, like when you store it upside down so it's ready in the morning, and also when you apply it, use the tip only and hold it like this, you know, so it looks as natural as possible. So there's a difference between just going like this and then going like this. You know what I'm saying? So to make it look as natural as possible, use the tip of the brow only. Yeah. So I'm gonna zoom you on into my eyebrow. Now, if you know me, you know I am a fan of like the very feathery brow look. This is so weird, I'm talking and you can't even see my face. First gonna start by brushing out my eyebrow, and I'm gonna try to fill in this tail that I accidentally plucked off. I can see like right here, I'm gonna wanna fill in a little bit. But it's mostly just this eyebrow that I really botched this morning. Why do these things happen to me? So yeah, I'm gonna shake it like it says. And I'm just gonna go for it, you know? I have my little mirror right here. Whoa. How am I supposed to do my left eyebrow with my right hand? Oh my god. Okay. You guys, this is so cool. Look, it looks like hairs. Oh my god. Okay, so blonde was definitely the right color. Glossier knew what they were doing when they sent me this color. So if you have hair similar to mine, I have like medium brown hair. It's not too dark, too light. And my eyebrows are kind of the same. So it dries pretty quickly. So I'm just gonna like run this back through. It literally looks like my hair. This is the coolest thing ever. And it really helps if you like that fluffy brow look. It makes them look so fluffy. I need to figure out how to actually use this better, but even from like my first application, I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in this little bald spot in this eyebrow right here. So they also sent me a little boy brow in clear, which is so nice of them. So I'm just going to go ahead and run that through, and it dries down so fast, and which is awesome because, well, it's awesome if you got the hair stroke in the right place, but it's awesome because you can brush it out or brush out your eyebrows like right after, and it just looks awesome. So final thoughts about this brow product. I love it. The only thing, let's see, do I have any criticisms? The only thing is that it might be a little difficult to use at first. You just kind of have to keep working at it. Like for me, I feel like I definitely, like it looks like my brow hairs are there, but I think I did kind of a messy job. So next time I'm gonna try my best to do it better. But it is such a cool product because it actually does look like my brow hairs. So yeah. That was my little demo and first impression. My first impression was good. I think it is a really cool product. I'm not sure how much this costs yet. Let me look it up. So I do not have the price yet, but I'm sure that they will, I think, release the product pretty soon. But I just wanted to give you guys a little review and first impression in case you wanted to either, well, just to figure out if you want to buy it for yourself. So yeah, that was my little first impression and review. I'm really happy with this product. I think it's so cool because I just don't have anything like it, and it really does give you those feather-like strokes. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. This was a very honest review, you guys. I was not like paid to do this or anything by any means. I'm just really excited about new Glossier releases and launches, and yeah, just wanted to show you guys the Glossier Brow Flick. And they said in the email that it was known as like boy brow's new BFF or something like that. So cute. So this is definitely gonna be my new favorite eyebrow duo for summer for sure, because I don't know if it's water resistant or waterproof, but it just doesn't, like, let me show you guys on my eyebrows too, like it just doesn't come off. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out the links below. I am a Glossier rep. If you do want to get it for yourself, you can use my little rep website link thing, and you can get 10% off of your first purchase and free shipping. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.